Welcome, food explorers, to another exciting culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the vibrant flavors of Spain with our top 5 foods to try in Spain. Spain, a nation steeped in rich culinary tradition, is a gastronomic playground that offers a feast for every palate. From the humble tapas to the extravagant paella, we'll explore 5 dishes that are an absolute must-try for anyone stepping foot on Spanish soil. Grab your forks and get ready to explore the culinary delights that await in sunny Spain. First on our list is paella, Spain's famous rice dish. A culinary gem hailing from the vibrant region of Valencia, paella is a medley of flavors and textures. Its base of saffron-infused rice is adorned with a variety of meats and seafood, each adding its unique essence to the dish. What sets paella apart is its distinctive cooking method, traditionally prepared in a large, shallow pan over an open fire. Paella, a dish that is as colorful as it is flavorful, truly encapsulates the spirit of Spanish cuisine. Next up, we've got tapas, the small plates that pack big flavors. In Spain, tapas aren't just a type of food, they're an integral part of the culture and lifestyle. Picture this, an evening spent hopping from one bar to another, sampling a variety of delicious, bite-sized plates at each stop. That's the tapas experience. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of tapas should you try? Well, there's a world of flavors to explore. Patatas bravas, for instance, are crispy fried potatoes topped with a spicy tomato sauce and aioli. Then there's gambas al ajillo, succulent prawns sautéed in garlic and chili. Each tapas dish is a culinary adventure in its own right, with its unique blend of textures and flavors. Whether you're enjoying them with a glass of sangria or a cold beer, tapas are a must-try Spanish food experience. Sweet tooth alert! Our next must-try food in Spain is churros. These delightful treats have won the hearts of locals and tourists alike with their irresistible allure. Picture a long golden pastry, perfectly fried to achieve that crisp exterior while preserving a soft and airy interior. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Spanish tradition elevates this sweet indulgence by serving it with a cup of thick, velvety hot chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. You dip these golden strips into the hot chocolate, and every bite becomes a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures. Whether it's breakfast, a late-night snack, or anything in between, churros are your go-to. Churros, a sweet treat that's sure to satisfy your cravings at any time of the day. Finally, we can't talk about Spanish food without mentioning gazpacho and jamon iberico. Picture this. It's a sweltering summer day in Spain, and you're served a bowl of gazpacho. This isn't just any soup, it's a chilled tomato-based concoction brimming with fresh vegetables like cucumbers, bell peppers, and onions. Each spoonful is a symphony of flavors, a perfect blend of tangy, sweet, and savory. It's the ideal antidote to the sizzling Spanish sun. Now let's shift gears to something meatier, jamon iberico. This isn't just ham, it's a culinary treasure, a staple in Spanish cuisine. Derived from the native Iberian pig, the ham is cured for a minimum of 2 years, resulting in a delicacy with a rich, savory flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture. From the refreshing gazpacho to the savory jamon iberico, the diversity of Spanish cuisine is truly astounding. And there you have it, the top 5 foods to try in Spain. We've savored paella, explored tapas, indulged in churros, refreshed with gazpacho, and relished jamon iberico. Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more culinary journeys. Until next time, happy eating!